In this video, I want to give you a quick update that Reachinbox lifetime deal is back again on the AppSumo, and this is the tool of the year, named it for the cold outreaching. Along with the Reachinbox, we have also some other crazy tools back again, like the marquee, laterally, and the URL monitor. So in this video, I'm going to talk about if you have missed the Reachinbox while on the first time, this is the best chance to get it in lifetime deal here. And I don't know after this when this tool again going to be come with the LTD on the AppSumo. So this is the last and the best time to get it here. So let me talk about the features. So this is the tool you can use for the cold email outreaching. It has so many great features available that you can use to warm up your emails. You want to connect the emails workspaces here. There's the AI available that is going to manage your delivery and going to help you to land your email and the campaigns in the inbox of the subscriber. There's also the magic email generator available. So many great things available with this single tool. You don't have to pay any extra penny after getting its lifetime deal here. There's also the automatic warm-up feature available and the unlimited emails here you can send out. Okay, so this is the tool. Right now you can see I am constantly using this platform, connecting my emails here, and right now you can see this is the warm-up score. It's automatically start warming up my emails here. So every time I send out or start my campaigns for the emails, they land on the inboxes. You can see 100% landed in the inbox. So this is the feature with the help of AI Reachinbox is offering. If you want a detailed video and demo and the tutorial on the Reachinbox, here's the video I have already done on my YouTube channel. Simply go to the SaaS Guru or search Reachinbox SaaS Guru, you will find the video. If you want to also watch the comparison with the instantly, this is the video I want to suggest you. So make sure you watch these videos as well. And this is the only 4 days deal is going to be open on this tool of the years on the AppSumo here. Basically after the 4 days, their lifetime deal is also going to be removed from the AppSumo. So make sure you get it without wasting any more time. And if you are not happy with your purchase or find anything unsatisfied, don't worry, there's also the 60 days money back guarantee also coming with all the deals you find on the AppSumo. So this is the quick update I want to just give you out. Make sure if you want the detailed video, here's the video I have already done. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.